This is what I'm having for breakfast. This tea, and also have scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. I have scrambled mandazi and some eggs. Do you see that? Yes. So let me have this breakfast and then I head out. Hi guys. Oh, welcome back to my channel. Yet another video. Guys, sinimewatupa. I've really lost on this channel, but I'm back, guys. I've been going through a lot. Not necessarily. Let me not say a lot because God has been with me throughout. If you have watched the previous video about mom and everything, you all know that. So yes, but I'm back right now. Um, it's been like a month without posting. Yes, it's been a month without posting. So, but I'm back now. So I woke up early in the morning, did some laundry kidogo, and what else did I do? Made my breakfast, nikaenda nikaosha troli yangu hapo nje and all of that. So I decided now today I won't be going to church because I have errands to run. Aki ni mob na siwezi patikana na kesho ni job. So what I have done, I've decided let me just have to wake up, make my breakfast, then I go for you see my hair inafaa nyolewe. It's so bad, guys. Can you see that? Inafaa nyolewe. I also need some facial. I always do a full facial every end month, but now I have stayed almost 2 months without facial. I have some breakouts on my face, so I need some facial. What else? The nails, I'll see. Sijui nianze wapi, nianze kinyozi, nianze facial, nianze wapi, but we'll see, sindio? So stay tuned. For my returning subscribers, I love you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, yeah? So I'm so happy about that. For the new subscribers, kindly subscribe to this channel because we have good vibes here, okay? So yeah, after that I may go do some few shopping kidogo. I mean shopping kidogo hivi nitapitia kwa supermarket and all that. So I'll see you later. Let me head out and do 1 2 3, okay? See you later. Kevin, how are you? Guys, I'm sorry to just start with the background noise but I've just done this. I mean, Yes, I'm done, guys. Getting shaved. I think that one was very fast. So yeah, so I'm going to the next. I'm going to the next destination. Whether I start with nails or the massage, I will know. Let's see you in the next one. All right. Sawa sawa. Uliona? Followers wengi. Hii ni safi. Hano ni moshe kiri. Wodona. Yengi mumekabo. Wote kana hiyo. Setup, as you can see. Yeah, I'm about to enjoy it. So stay tuned and all of that. Kai. Hey, ma adogo.
Kai tu tora tori ido. To hena hia do tori ero. Tu hali maisha matu kinyekire kai kuya. Nye kimeka hia do baba. Mimi na nitaja
kuhepresha kama
ero ni ndegeria kila kindu tondu ari huwa mai
merida kinyite kona ndijo ete maundu ma mucie ngira kwambiriria wamukinyo okay muro uri wikiri ati uri murwaru ne uri gweka ati watiri ne wathi ni ahodi ne wathi ndiko imefika Guys, I'm done. Can you see how pretty I am? how handsome I am. Oh my god, to feel so good. So come to Avon Spa and get these services, okay? So yeah, so let's go home and do other things. I'm I'm so hungry right now, so I'll be probably cooking and if I'm able to take you through all that, I'm going to take you through, okay? Thank you so much. Hi guys, I'm right back from from the spa and I'm feeling so fresh. Imagine I was doing the nails, I was doing facial as well. Na sweat kidogo sababu nilikuwa nje, and then the hair. Can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I'm looking so good. If you saw what I was shooting for the when I was doing some introduction, my hair was so bad, right? So but right now, tell me, what do you mean, guys? What do you mean? I'm looking so dope. The facial so refreshing. The nails is the tea. So I passed through the supermarket, and let me tell you something, guys. Nimepita supermarket on my way from the spa. Nikapita supermarket. Nikasema, let me just pick few things that I don't have in the house. Few things that I don't have in the house. Are you getting it? But kufika kwa supermarket, my mind was just blank. Literally blank. Well, how do you explain that? You know what I got? I got this one, this pick and peel. Pick and peel. Again, I got chicken. It's actually boiling here. Nimeiweka tu hapa in boil. I don't know whether you can see it. Oh my god. Can I tell it? This is the chicken that is boiling here. In a boil tu kidogo alafu then I'm going to make it for dinner. Hmm. What else did I pick? Some tomatoes. So easy hapa. Okay, tomatoes, I'm going to be using them though. What else did I pick? I think nothing else. I went blank totally, totally blank. So living in the house, that's when I remembered everything. I actually remembered everything that I wanted in the house. What is that? Kaya kuratira akora. I'm getting old, literally. I've picked things that I was not even able. I was not even supposed even to pick them. They were not in my budget. Hazikuwa. So I got these glasses, guys. Can I remind you? I got these glasses from somewhere. They were very cheap. I said, do I have some wine glasses? No, I don't have them. Let me pick them. And the pick and peel did a justice for me. So this is what I'm having. Let me sip. So good. You guys, you're supposed to try this pick and peel. It's a red grape juice. It's really, really nice. Can you see that? Atikikalia kwa glass. I'm so hungry. Let me just kidogo and the rest nieke rice. I don't know whether I'm going to take you through the cooking because me na feel too I'm so tired. This is so good. Let me put my chicken, nieke kachube kidogo. Nataka boil and then I will dry. Nitai spice once. I don't know, it's stew. Yeah, stew, so I don't want it dry. Nataka tu dry na evil and then I'll spice it up for just to go with the rice. Okay. So what else? I'm going to be washing some dishes here. As you can see, they're dirty. Then there's the paketia rice on the other side and all that. So you guys are so amazing. You have really spent the day with me. Tangu nilitoka huku saa 3 and saizi ni saa 9 inaelekea. So you guys are so amazing. You're so amazing. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, endelea kusubscribe hapo. This is a home of good. This is a channel of good vibes. and everything. So yes, I won't take you through kabisa kabisa, but let me do my thing and then you guys see it, okay? Because I'm actually trying to prepare the onion for chicken and the tomatoes and the hoho. So that's what I'll be using for cooking. So I'm trying to like prepare them and all that. So guys, I'm trying to prepare everything. Yes. So rice is boiling and the chicken is boiling as well. So we're going to make very tastier. As you all know, we make taste food, okay? So we're having that. And yeah, I'm coming to you when the food is ready. Ama mnaonaje? We come back when the food is completely ready. So yeah.